See, these are the steps of sun salutation A. First step and the breathing technique. First step, this is about drishti. Okay, this is about drishti. Bhrumadhya. Bhrumadhya is this one. Okay, Bhrumadhya is the third eye. And in second step, you will keep your drishti at Nasagra. Nasagra is nose tip. Ashtanga Yoga, Surya Namaskar A. Vinyasa. One in, breathe in, Bhrumad, your drishti here. And second, your drishti is nose tip. Third, Bhrumadhya again, the eyebrow center. Fourth, nose tip. Fifth, Bhrumadhya. And sixth, Nabhi Chakra. Nabhi Chakra is navel in sixth step. So first step is lift arms from sideways, okay? First step is, with breathing in, you lift your arms from sideways up. And you, in that asana, you look at the Bhrumadhya here. Your hands would be upward, but your drishti would be on the third eye here. And breathing out, your fingers spread far forward and to the ground in Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Uttanasana, I will show you the picture also. Uttanasana, this is odd. And in Uttanasana, when you bend down and your palms on the floor, your drishti is on the nose tip. Okay, so let me show you the Uttanasana. Uttanasana is this one, Uttanasana A. So first is Urdhva Vrikshasana, breathing in. Okay, in this asana, your drishti is here. And in this asana, your drishti is on the nose tip. Nasagra. Okay. And the third step is Uttanasana B. So breathe in first, breathe out Uttanasana A, breathe in Uttanasana B. Okay. And Chaturanga Dandasana. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. The spelling, this one. Okay. This is done with breathing out, and your drishti is on Nasagra, nose tip. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. Your body should be off the floor, only your toes and palms should be on the floor. Chaturanga. Chaturanga means four. Chatur means four. Ang means limbs, four limbs on the floor. Danda. Danda means the stick. Yeah, so this is done with breathing out. Chaturanga Dandasana. Yes. And drishti on nose tip. And fifth is Urdhva Mukh Swanasana in Sanskrit. Urdhva Mukh Swanasana. In English, this is called upward facing dog. Upward facing dog. And in this asana, you go with breathing in, and your drishti, your eyesight would be on the between the eyebrows, Bhrumadhya. So this is Urdhva Mukh Swanasana. See. This looks like the cobra posture, but this is not cobra. In this asana, only your feet and palms are on the floor. Feet and palms. And rest of the, legs are off the floor, not on the floor. Okay? So in this asana, you go with breathing in, and your drishti is on Bhrumadhya. And breathing out, you come into downward facing dog. Please see this very carefully. Your legs are straight, and this part is in slope. This part is not curved, is not bent, backward bending or forward bending. Your spine is straight, and you feel the stretch in your arms. Okay, yeah. So Adho Mukh Swanasana, in this asana you come by breathing out, and your drishti remains on the Nabhi Chakra. Nabhi Chakra is navel. Okay. Now Uttanasana B. You come in this Uttanasana B with inhalations. In Uttanasana B, Bhrumadhya means eyebrow center, and A, when you touch the head to the knee, then on the nose tip. Okay. And while breathing in, You raise your arms from sideways, straightening up with your back straight, and your drishti is on Angush Madhya. Angush Madhya is between the thumbs. You look at the thumbs. This is called Angush Madhya. Okay, and breathing out, you bring your arms slowly down from the sideways. That is called Samasthiti. 5AZ is you come with exhalation in this asana, Adhomukh Svanasana, I mean downward facing dog pose, okay? And 5AZ is when you contract your belly more. Okay?
Yeah.
So in this also your drishti remains on Navi Chakra. You focus on, actually in this asana, you stay for 5 breathings actually. Did you get my point? In this asana, you have to stay for 5 breathings. And after 5 breathings, you jump and you come in Uttanasana, B, then A. This is inhalation, this is exhalation, and this. Yeah, so these are the sequence, and this is called vinyasa. Okay, see, this is vinyasa. Okay. So all the movements with breathings are called vinyasa. When you do certain sequence of asanas with breathings, that is called vinyasa. And sun salutation is a kind of vinyasa. Well, are you ready to go into practical part? Okay. I would like our teacher to show you first so that.
Yeah. First position, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Urdhva Vrikshasana. Lift your arms sideways with inhale. Exhale, fully forward, arms on the sideways down. Uttanasana A. Uttanasana B. Inhale. Sliding backward, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog. Urdhva Svanasana. Downward facing dog. Legs normal open. Heel up, slide forward. Uttanasana B. Raise your head, stretch your back. Uttanasana A. Lift your arms sideways. Samasthiti. Relaxation. Relax. Normal. Okay? Understand? Yeah.
I think that was very clear to all of you.